very disappointed if Mom and Dad didn't film him.
Should we just let this one go down for a bit?
I'm cool. I've seen some elephants today.
Kim, should we let this one go on its way? Oh no.
Come on, dude. This is our road. Made for cars. I want to get on the road. He's on your side.
I know, that's what I'm like.
Look how lovely that is. Beautiful light. Look at it. Oh, stunning. Come on, my boy.
Say goodbye later.
Ciao. You good, baby?
Yeah. Were you recording that whole thing?
Yeah. Sorry for the foul language. I don't think anyone heard.